Hi there, I am Arjuna Mitra Jyoti and you are watching my book blogging channel. Today we are going to talk about Harry Potter's Illustrated Edition. One is by Jim Kay and the another is by the Minalima Studios. Okay, Jim Kay is a celebrated artist. He's a celebrated artist. First, he worked on A Monster Calls. This was his first illustration work. This was released in 2011. He got various awards for this, and after seeing this work, he was selected to illustrate Harry Potter by J.K. Rowling herself. That's how this came to be. Okay, this was released in 2015. And Minalima edition was released last month, if I'm not wrong. It's very recent. This is so. Today we are going to compare Jim Kay and Minalima, and let's find out who is the best. Shall we? First, let us start with the Jim Kay edition. So, when you compare with Minalima, Jim Kay is bigger in size. You can see that, right? Oversized in other way. I'm going to show you. I'm going to flip through. Okay. So, Jim Kay is basically oversized and it is done on glossy paper. You can see Dudley here. He has almost like an impressionistic kind of painting. He uses oil colors, very, very stark pictures he draws. Uh, what I have found when I read, what I have found when I read Jim Kay is that his characters are more defined. You will feel their emotions very easily. That's what I look at Harry. How beautiful he is. Very detailed. There is that undercurrent of darkness, and he has a Harry Potter has a sense of humor. J.K. Rowling has a sense of humor. You know that, and he has brilliantly captured it. That's what I feel, and especially so. This oversized book really is. It's very good to hold it. It's not easy to carry it around, but if you have a toddler, it's wonderful for him or her to flip through. And the best thing about Jim Kay that I have found, another thing is that in this Jim Kay editions, they add some additions like this. This is our, you can see here, Norwegian Ridgeback. You can see that, right? Sorry for the glare because the page is a bit glossy. That can happen. They have also shown dragon eggs here. It's like we are seeing Newt Scamander's bestiary, not the bestiary, the book which talks about his bestiary. Okay. And the Fantastic Beasts, the book as an addition, they are talking about the beasts. Just look at this Ron's painting. How beautiful! How gloriously unkempt he is. It's really beautiful. That's our Hermione, and you can see the troll here. Look, Guide to Troll, Newt Scamanders. It's a beautiful book. And here the chess episode. And in this book, you can only see the common dining hall, just at the last instant. They're getting the house cup. Oh, how beautiful that is. So, I have already bought the Chamber of Secrets, Prisoner of Azkaban, and Goblet of Fire by Jim Kay. And I'm waiting for Order of the Phoenix. So I am in love with this work. So that's about Jim Kay's work. Now let's open. Now let's go for Minalima. Minalima. Look, Minalima is shorter, smaller, but the pages are not glossy. But the pages are good though. What I felt like was, Minalima is more shades. She has used more, not they have used more shades, I suppose, shadows, more than Jim Kay. And the color coding is different. You can see that, right? A bit cartoonish, maybe, I don't know. And the best thing about this book is it has movable parts. This is Dumbledore's watch, if you remember. This movable parts makes it really lively, and every chapter has an illustration that even Jim Kay edition has. You have the letter here. It all looks really beautiful. Interactive elements, that's what they call this. Today actually I was flipping through this and my toddler came near to me and he wanted to see it, and I showed him actually and was really interested in this. It's for kids, it's for everybody. Look, diagonally. I personally felt like the diagonally of Jim Kay is better, more detailed, I suppose. This one is also good. This is an interactive element. You can see that, right? You can open it. You can see Apothecary. It's good. It's really good. Look, that's a fat lady. Look, the fat lady. You can move her eyes. Let me show that. She is fun. And this is Hogwarts. You can see that. It's fun. This is, Christmas. Chess. Interactive elements really brings out the action. You can see that here. Look. It's fun. There are miniature Harry. You can see them, right? Yeah. Next, let me show Voldemort for you. That's Voldemort. This is brilliant, really brilliant. You can remove, him like this. Yeah. So, to make a long story short, both are really good. Okay, there is no doubt in it. If you are a Harry Potter fanatic like me, you should get both. Both are available on Amazon. A bit costly, but everything in life which is good will cost you, especially books. So, if you are a Harry Potter fan, no doubt you can buy it. If you are not a Harry Potter fan, first you read it. Most probably you will become a fan. Most probably, then you can buy them. Okay. So, if you like what I do, like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Until then, peace out.